Hello, if you're watching this, maybe you want a better life, to feel happier, or to make a positive change. Stay with us because today we are talking about something that can truly transform everything. I am Alice, and I am here with my friend David.
Hello, everyone. Alice, I have a simple but powerful question. Are you truly happy with your life right now?
That is a big question to ask.
I know, but it is the most important one because if you want to change your life, you need to be honest with yourself. Are you where you want to be? Many people want something different, but they don't know how to start. If you want to improve your listening and understanding, please like and subscribe to our channel for new weekly videos.
Why do people feel stuck in life?
It is like being in deep mud where your feet cannot move forward. Maybe they don't like their job, feel constantly tired, or lack a sense of purpose. I remember years ago, I felt exactly the same. I did the same routine every day. Work, home, screen, sleep. I kept asking myself, is this it?
That feeling is actually the beginning of change because it forces you to start searching for what you really want. So, what is the first step?
Knowing yourself. It is like looking in a mirror for your heart and mind. You can start by asking yourself 3 honest questions. What do I love doing? What do I want more of? And what do I want less of? Please pause the video, think about those questions, and write your answers down.
We know what we want now. What is next?
Now we take action, but the most important thing is that you don't have to change everything at once. Many people try to change their entire life in one day, but that is too hard, and they eventually give up.
So, what is the right way?
Small steps. Instead of saying, I will exercise for 1 hour, you say, I will walk for 10 minutes every morning. If you do that consistently, it becomes a natural habit. Remember, small steps lead to big, lasting changes.
How do we build these good habits?
We use habit stacking. You put a new habit right after one you already have. For example, if you already drink coffee every morning, you say, after I drink my coffee, I will study English for 5 minutes. It is a very effective way to grow.
What about our mindset?
Your mindset is the story you tell yourself. If you think, I can't do this, you start to believe it. Instead, adopt a growth mindset. Replace I can't with I can learn. Also, remember that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with positive, inspiring people who encourage your growth.
What do we do when we fail or fall back into old habits?
Failing is part of the process. Think of a baby learning to walk. They fall, they get up, and they try again. They never say, I give up. Don't be too hard on yourself. One mistake doesn't mean failure. It means you are learning and trying.
Could you share some simple daily practices for a better life?
Of course. Number 1, write down 3 things you are grateful for every morning. Number 2, move your body. Number 3, learn something new for at least 5 minutes. Number 4, prioritize good sleep. Number 5, be kind to yourself. Pick just one to start today.
Let's repeat some key phrases to remember. Small steps lead to big changes. Every mistake teaches me something. I am getting better every day, and I believe in myself. Say these every morning. It isn't magic. It takes time and consistency, but it is absolutely possible. By watching and learning with us, you are already taking a great step forward. We are so proud of you. In the comments below, tell us, what is one small step you will take this week? We love reading your comments. Thank you for learning with us. Keep going, keep improving, and take care of yourself. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Sharing this episode with your friends and family helps us more than you think. Thank you, everyone, and I'll see you next episode.